All right, so how do you graph an equation? So in the notes, it said you create a table of values. So you come up with x, and then you use this equation to find y. It does not matter what x you use, but I found some hints that usually work. They don't always work. The times that they don't work is when you have story problems that are crazy big numbers, like thousands of dollars. When you have a fraction, you want to choose a positive denominator. So this time I'm going to pick 3. You want to pick a negative denominator. So the opposite of 3 is negative 3. And 0 is always easy because 0 times any number is 0. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to solve for y for each one of these. That's 3 different times. So 1/3 times 3. 1/3 times 3 plus 1. 1/3 times 3 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So one of my points is going to be 3, 2. Now I'm going to solve it for 0. Y equals 1/3 times 0 plus 1. 1/3 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Another point is 0, 1. Now I'm going to go through and solve it for a negative 3. Y equals 1/3 times negative 3 plus 1. 1/3 times negative 3 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. Negative 3 comma 0 is my third point. Your book says only use 2 points. I like to use 3 points just because it's a check. Your book likes to tell you how to do your numbering. So it says each unit is 1. We'll pretend those weren't there. Each unit is 1 from negative 6 to 6. So we start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because we know that's where the positive numbers are. Now to negative 6, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. And we'll do the same thing on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. All right, so now I'm going to plot my points. 3, 2. Start at my origin, go to the right 3, go up 2, that's one of my points. 0, 1. Start at my origin, I don't move right or left, but I go up 1. Negative 3, 0. Start at my origin, I go to negative 3, and then I don't go up or down. And it is a straight line. So you use your straight edge and you graph it. This is where you have to be as precise as possible so that you know what other points might be. So I want to make sure my line goes right over where those units intersect. And that is my line. Any point on that line will make a true statement for this equation. Hopefully that helps you figure out what was going on, and you'll be able to finish your homework. If not, I'll see you Tuesday.